This is my cantaloupe section. Orange mint, watermelon by Crimson, and Charlton's. This is sweet basil, thigh basil, purple basil, lavender, and this is rosemary. This is rosemary, and this is lavender. My basil, catnip, grapes, lime, lemongrass. I'm saying lime, lemongrass, and my chocolate mint. This little section right here. This little section right here is my organic onion chives and leeks. They're really leeks. My mistake. These are leeks. I'm getting there. I just have one more rosemary to put down. And well, creepy thyme. I don't have no rosemary. Creepy thyme. This is what these are. Creepy thyme. This is my blueberry plant. And over there is my spearmint, sweet mint, and peppermint bed. And this is our cantaloupe tree, Indian bean tree. This is my blackberry bush. I call it a bush, just like the other one's a bush. And my raspberry. My garden is coming along. Just got a few more things to do.